Again, thanks to Adventures with Purpose, I have this portable seatbelt and window device on my keychain. In an emergency, I would remove it. I would cut my seatbelt like that with this sharp device, and the black side of this device would be used in an emergency to shatter the auto glass. To test this device, Adventures with Purpose recommends a small stack of papers, to take the black side of the device and to push as hard as I can against the papers to create a small point like this. I'm pushing, and it creates a tiny, tiny, minuscule, sharp puncture that against a real auto window would indeed shatter the window. Let's try that again. I've got the black portion of this small little device. I'm testing it against paper. Put the black portion against the paper. Push hard. You have one chance. And there is the puncture. Do not try this against your skin, or you will have a puncture wound, and that could be grave. So do not try this or test this device against any person or skin. Thank you to Adventures with Purpose for this portable seatbelt and window breaker device. Be safe. Bendiciones.